Hi guys, this is Mansi for Lakme School of Style. Today I'm trying to find out who do people think of as the greatest pop icon of all times. Let's find out. Who do you think is the greatest pop icon of all times?
I think Beyonce. The way she portrays herself in the music industry and whatever she believes in. I like how she's bold about it. So I don't think anybody in the music industry is that confident about whatever they say.
Michael Jackson, because he invented pop and that genre was created by him, and I think he's the best who can perform pop. You can't explain it. He created a genre, he created a music trend, he created the style. That's why he's the icon of pop.
I'd say John Mayer because I think he makes great music because he writes his songs on his own, and I love that about him. He has a great voice and a great fashion sense too. I think most people don't like him personally, but that just adds to the charm. He doesn't give a shit about the world. Like, he is what he is. People hate him, like him, but you just can't ignore him.
I think it's Enrique Iglesias. I think he's a wonderful singer. I mean, the voice, it just touches you, and then the songs and his lyrics are absolutely amazing. Actually, it was more like a 90s phase, when every girl was mad behind Enrique. Yeah, we've grown up, but yeah, definitely, he's still the hottie to look for. The looks, the deep voice, I think he's got one of the people with best voices. That's what makes him iconic.
Michael Jackson, the way he dress up, that's what I like about him.
What about his music?
Can someone really comment about his music? He is the god. Moonwalk, I think everybody who was 10 years, 15 years, he has tried once. He's a class apart.
Beyonce, because of her fan following and whatever she has achieved in life, she expresses herself very nicely. Her lyrics are very well written. You can associate pop with Beyonce.
So what is the one thing that you think stands out about her?
Basically, live shows, she presents herself very nicely. All her ads, promotions and all are very in tuned with whatever she does in life.
Shakira, because I think she's really hot and she can carry herself really well. Because Shakira's hips definitely don't lie. She's a belly dancer. I wish I could be a belly dancer.
Madonna, because she's beautiful. She has good music too. But this thing distinguishes her because she's beautiful. She carries her well. So this is a plus point for her.
Rihanna for me because I really like the quality of voice she has, her styling, her sense of carrying the song with herself. I like her hair, the ginger color. I really love it. I think she's magical. I really like her song Diamonds. I really love it.
For me, it's Carlos Santana. He basically plays electric guitar, and I love his music. It's kind of it gives you good goosebumps, good energy. I really admire the way he carries his personality. He has his own style, to carry himself. That's what most iconic thing about him.
As you can see, Delhi has so many choices when it comes to pop icons. But you know what? I want to know who your favorite is. Why don't you type in below and tell me that? Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Lakme School of Style. This is Mansi signing off.